Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we are gonna show you how to make this beautiful star-shaped candle holder out of pistachio shells. I honestly did not see this DIY anywhere, so I thought to share it with you all. Lights on. So let's begin. You need a star shape cut out of a cardboard, some pistachio shells, and hot glue gun. We'll begin by sticking the pistachio shells on the tip of the star and going downwards. Make sure that the tip of the pistachio shell is facing upwards. We'll be sticking like this from top to the bottom for all of the points. Now I'll complete all of the points by snapping. It's supposed to work. It'll be working with. Perhaps I don't know the magic. I just see it happening in many other videos. Anyways, I'll stick the shells by myself. I'll try the magic later. I'll practice it. Don't do the mistake like I did just now. You have to stick from the point till the bottom, not from the sides. It is almost done. Now I drew a circle marking the space for the candle. Gluing around the circle. And it's done. Doesn't it look very beautiful? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, I wonder. Lighting the candle. Doesn't it look very beautiful? It's very simple, just a bit time consuming for the shells. No, wait, what? Oh, my star is running for ghosts, I guess. You can leave it like the way you want, the natural color you want, or you can just go and head for the coolness spirit. So, make sure to wear a mask. And it's finally done. It looks so beautiful and shiny, and it also looks like it's made up of metal. Thank you for watching the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!